Making a comeback, unraveling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as dynamic as life itself: make a comeback. This expression is not just about sports or celebrities, it's a powerful reflection of resilience and determination. So, if you're ready to add an inspiring phrase to your English vocabulary, let's get started. To make a comeback means to return to a previous level of success, recognition, or activity after a period of decline or absence. It's often used in contexts where someone or something regains popularity, health, or power. The beauty of this phrase lies in its versatility. It can be applied to a wide range of scenarios, from personal achievements to public events. Let's see how this phrase comes to life in different contexts. 1. In sports. When an athlete suffers from an injury and then returns to their sport, performing as well as or better than before, they are said to make a comeback. 2. In entertainment. Actors or musicians who haven't been in the spotlight for a while and then star in a hit movie or release a chart-topping album are making a comeback. 3. Personal growth. Overcoming personal challenges, such as recovering from illness or bouncing back after a job loss, can also be described as making a comeback. While make a comeback is generally positive, the context can add layers of meaning. For example, a company recovering from financial loss might make a comeback in the business world. However, the phrase can also carry a sense of surprise or against-the-odds achievement, emphasizing the effort and determination involved in the return. To fully grasp its usage, let's look at some sentences. After years of struggling, the once-forgotten brand made a remarkable comeback, winning the hearts of consumers again. The player made a comeback from a career-threatening injury to win the championship. After a decade of silence, the band made a comeback with a groundbreaking new album. Make a comeback is more than just a phrase. It's a narrative of resilience, hope, and triumph. Whether it's in sports, entertainment, or personal life, making a comeback is about overcoming obstacles and emerging stronger. We hope this video inspires you to look at challenges as opportunities to make your own comeback. Remember, it's never too late to turn the tide in your favor. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.